we're gonna check this grade. This is like in a studio in 1 second. That's how I call it, studio like in 1 second. Desktop Studio Kit tabletop monitor, stand-up station or sitting down as well. And you know what? You have all the arms that you need. First of all, it goes placed on your desk very easily. You will get the ring light. You will get the special hook, I think, to place your mic and to place your camera as well. Great to build up your desktop office, gaming streaming station, maybe for video conferencing as well, or media recording too.
So let's check this out. It's a bunch of parts here, right? So let's see how we're gonna put this together. Okay. Oh, even cancel even with the ring light. So here we have the ring light, and this one we have. I guess that's a manual support or tablet. Let's see that. Then the boom arm. Oh, the camera holder. Oh, it's good. Everything comes with a camera holder. And oh, tablet holder. Wow. Let's get the other arm. With it, we're gonna have to look the instructions. Okay, I see the main part here.
Aluminum materials.
Okay, so we can open this up. By the way, I can see it has a nice finish. You guys can look into that. So that will be the main part. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this way. Okay, so the back. All right, we are in the back. That's the front there. So let me go all the way. Okay, we got that out. I know a screw come out of there, and that one there. Let's put this to the side. All right, so this we can slide that in and now. All right, so we're gonna take this out first. So we're gonna put this down, and I think that should go anywhere we want it. Oh, and it automatic stops. Oh, okay. So there is no clamp or anything. I think it stops there with the weight. I see that. So it's nothing to hold here. Okay, so let's bring this down for now. And let's bring the other one. And this thing automatic, I think it by default tends to hold there. So, and if you push it up a little bit, and that's when you can slide down. So make it easy for you to move things around. So we're gonna bring that one there. Then yes, we're gonna bring this one in. And this one, yes, we have to slide to, there is a channel in the back. So we're gonna keep this one here. And we're gonna grab the boom. This is not bad, super fast to do this together. Microphone, so that one should go here. Okay, perfect. Okay. And we're gonna open this to the side. You can use this, then you can use something else. Sometimes depends if you buy another microphone, sometimes comes with this little thing. So that goes somewhere there. Okay, so let's keep that way. That's good. All right, we can leave that there. Got one more. 3. So we're gonna bring this one in too. So this should go this way. Then we're gonna bring this one in. So then I have the light here. So the light goes plug it there, and I can turn it on. Wow, Okay, I can change the lighting. Okay, good. 3 lightings and different levels. Can go all the way down or can go all the way high. Then we have the tablet. Okay, oh, there's a lot of things here we can put it in. Yes, okay, yes. It locks itself, perfect. So this one we can put something else. So imagine there. I'll give you different alternatives, okay? So we got a tablet here. Maybe I have a screen somewhere else. So, okay. So imagine that's the phone. I can have the phone over here. So let's say now it's one setup. This is the one setup. Let me bring, okay. So this one way. Another way, yes, we take this out. And here we can put the camera, okay? So here, imagine we can put a camera there. So let me put a camera right over there. That will be the perfect setup, okay? So there. And that will be the camera. So we had the camera here, we had the light, and we have my tablet to look. Now, another way around is removing this out. I don't need a tablet in this case. So I'm gonna take this one, I don't need this one anymore. And I'm gonna go and use, all right. So another way, so that's one setup, okay? It really is a way to have a studio on the go. Let's say you have a screen, I don't know, 15 inches, 16 inches, 20 inches screen. You set up this, run the screen, and then you can put in this here, the shoe lock. So right there, now we have the screen. So imagine here, we can put another flat screen, all right? We can move this up. So I'm gonna take this out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this way. And now I can, you know, have my laptop there. Should I need to adjust there. But if you want to say use the laptop somewhere there, okay? And you can type it right over here. Real nice setup. If you look at, again, if you're looking to something to be real fast, you know, I want to live streaming today or tomorrow, and I want to make sure I have all my setup. And maybe you want to start my Twitch, my TikTok, whatever I want to start in today. I think this allows you to set up well the stuff you got at home already. Put your camera there, get your screen and swap it right over there. You don't have a ring light, that's okay. You have a ring light over here, you don't have to. If you have already your microphone, set your microphone there, and here you can just rig it out something else, right? Or you can use for cameras. Maybe you have another screen right on the side. So all these things, and you can do. There can be another setup, a second room, right? Where you have your office, and this is just only for live streaming as well too. So they give you all these great idea. If you have a regular screen, that's the thing, is a regular bell set, so you can set up this in your screen and swap it right there. Pretty simple, you know. Take that and swap these things around. I think that's it. I think we have everything here.